Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to add a menu bar in the WordPress website. So for that we need to go to the Google Chrome, then enter your website makeyouvisible.com/wp-admin, enter your ID, and the password. So here we are on our WordPress dashboard. Then for the menu bar we have to go to the appearance on the left side, and in appearance we need to go to the menus. From here you can create a menu bar. Here you can add the name. You can give the name to the menu, primary menu, whatever the name you want to give, you can give here, and click on the create button. After that you need to select the pages which you want to add in this menu bar. This is you can do from the left side. There are three options: most recent, view all, and the search. I'm selecting view all so that I can select all the pages. Select all, and I'm deselecting the sample page because I don't want to add this in the menu bar. And then I click on the add to menu button. So all the pages have been added, and now I have to select the location, display location of the menu bar. I am selecting here top bar. Then I can click on the save menu button. Now you can go to your website and you can check how it looks like. Now you can see the menu bar, but I want to create a drop downs buttons. For that you need to create a page for our services. If you want to add the services below the our services section, then go to the dashboard again. You can create the page of our services from pages section by clicking on the add new button. I have already created that page, so I'm going to the appearance and then menus button. So on the first section I want home button, and then after I want the services. Here it is. I have to drag to the top after home, and now I want to add some services below this our services section, that is Amazon listing. So I have to drag it on the right side of the our services. Then the catalog data entry and processing services again on the right side. Contact us, I want to show it in the last, so I'm dragging it down. Now I want an e-commerce catalog copyright. I want to add e-commerce marketing, so I can drag and drop here. Then listing on Jet. I want listing on Jet under e-commerce marketing, so I have to drag it here under the e-commerce marketing on the right side. So it will create a more drop down button here. Now you can carry on like this. Click on the save menu button once you are done. Now you can go to the website and refresh the page. So now you can see the menu bar here, home, our services. In our services section we have Amazon listing and the catalog data entry and processing services. After that we have e-commerce catalog copywriting. In that section I have e-commerce marketing. Under e-commerce marketing we have listed some other points. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe our channel Make You Visible. Thank you so much.